40 questions to challenge your English. Think you're ready? First question. Find the closest synonym of actual. Answer B, real. Which is a synonym of legal? Answer B, lawful. What does stick your neck out mean? Answer D, take risk. What does tighten your belt mean? Answer A, spend less. Choose the antonym of culminate. Answer B, begin. What is the antonym of challenge? Answer D, solution. Choose the antonym of messy. Answer A, tidy. Choose the correct plural of access. Answer D, excesses. What is the plural form of steal? Answer A, steal. Choose the correct plural of brother. Answer B, brothers. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer D, we do emphasize the need for punctuality. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer A, I got the plumber fixed the sink repaired. Can you guess the missing word? Answer B, there are fewer chairs in the room than needed. What is the past form of smell? Answer A, smelled. Choose the past tense of dig. Answer B, dug. What is the past form of lead? Answer A, lead. Choose the correct spelling. Answer B, selfish. Pick the correct spelling. Answer D, presently. Identify the correct spelling. Answer A, displace. Which is a synonym of weak? Answer B, frail. Pick a synonym of excite. Answer A, thrill. Choose a synonym of faded. Answer D, pale. What does wear thin mean? Answer A. Annoy. What does hold the fort mean? Answer C. Manage. What does let off steam mean? Answer D. Vent. Choose the antonym of foreign. Answer A. Local. Opposite of outdated. Answer C. Modern. Choose the correct plural of enigma. Answer B. Enigmas. What is the plural form of customary? Answer D. Customaries. Choose the correct plural of veto. Answer A. Vetoes. Fill the gap. Answer D. I don't know whom to consult for this problem. Can you guess the missing word? Answer C. I told them I was planning to attend the webinar. Fill the gap. Answer A. Complex systems interact constantly. Choose the past form of cast. Answer B. Cast. What's the past tense of spoil? Answer A. Spoiled. Choose the past form of swell. Answer B. Swelled. Almost done. Last four questions. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Respectful. Pick the correct spelling. Answer C. Trigger. Identify the correct spelling. Answer B. Destroy. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Realistic. Well done. That wasn't easy. What's your final score? Like and follow for more.